Well, to me, one of the great appeals of working in wood in this way, greenwood turning, is that it's safe, it's quiet, it's accessible to most people, even to children and young people.
On something that's carved as much as the shell box, it doesn't really matter about whether things are dead perfect, as long as everything fits together.
My interest in wood developed at about the age of 17 whilst I was at college studying sculpture. And I very quickly learned that most of the work is done in one's head.
It's very important that I had a fine art training and background, and that comes out in that I did sculpture for 4 years before I turned to making furniture and designing furniture, which probably makes my furniture different from sort of cabinet makers in inverted commas.
I think one of the main problems in undertaking a commission is that we have to educate the public. And I don't mean that in a patronising way. I mean simply that the majority of people wouldn't quite naturally go to a furniture shop to buy furniture.